Hello guys, my name is Akash Randive and today we are going to go through the presentation of House Madrid analysis. House Madrid analysis is a Power BI project which is a case study provided by CloudML team. So let's go to the Word file given by CloudML team. So in this data analyst projects, which is Madrid real estate analysis that we are doing, be seeing data transformation and cleanup of the raw data, which we will go make it transform so that we can give some actionable insights. Secondly, we will also check the price analysis based on the property features. The features here will be like what what the real estate has is a pool, does the real estate has garden, or the real estate is a new development. So according to these different property features, what is the price analysis trend of that property or real estate in the Madrid, we will be seeing that. Also, say thirdly is that we will be segmenting the market investment opportunities for the investors with the factors like square meter build and all other things. And other fourth one is that we will be looking into interactive dashboard creation. So we will be giving this dashboard to the stakeholders to make their decisions for the investments and other further things for their business. So first of all, let's go for the first question that is given by the CloudML team for this Madrid house analysis project. So the first is data transformation and cleanup. Question: identify and remove duplicate listing in the dataset. How will you use Power Query to manage duplicates and keep only the most recent listing based on the ID and is duplicated columns? Focus areas: Power Query, handling duplicates and conditional columns. So guys, for the first, that is data transformation and cleanup, we will be loading our data into Power Query. So I have directly uploaded it on the Power BI and then gone to the Power Query mode. So we will see here. So first of all, first is, let's go here, add column. You can see that view, sorry, we have tick mark this column distribution, show white space and column quality as well. We can also do column profiling also. So here we can see each column we will have been count, error, empty, distinct, unique and all other things. For right now we will be disclosing this column profile. So by this viewing we will go to one by one to the columns. That's what I did. I went through everything and then there were many columns. There are many columns in this. All the columns are not necessary, and whichever the columns were not necessary for this analysis, I have removed them, or some of them values have been replaced, as you can see here in the applied steps. Like for example, if there is a column like booleans, like this is a boolean column, is rent price bound. Here if there were some null values, I will be replacing those with, if there is null value I will type here null and then I will give here false. So I already had done this step, so I will not do this right now. It's okay, so I will press cancel. So with doing this, I have made all the columns into false or removed some of the columns from this, which will be unnecessary and which will make the Power BI dashboard very heavy, and it will be not suitable for the final dashboard. So this was the, and the second, as the question has suggested, that we have to remove the duplicates. So how will we remove the duplicates? Based on the IDs. So where we will go to the ID column and then click right click, and we can see here we have the remove duplicates option. Then click on this remove duplicates and it will be gone, and it will come here in the applied steps. So first question is solved. Then we can directly go to this, and here we will have to do the apply changes, but I have already made those, so I will not make the apply. So I will directly clear it. So let's go the second question. Price analysis based on the property features. Question asks, create a report that analyzes how different features such as having a pool, has garden, or being a new development, that is new development, affect the average property price. Which feature correlate most strongly with higher prices? Focus areas, DAX calculation for average, correlation analysis, visual slicing. So in this question, basically they are asking which features, like if the real estate has a garden, if the real estate has a pool, or the real estate is a new development in the Madrid. So what are the prices trends based on these features? We will be looking into that. For that we will have to calculate the measures. So I have already made a different column. You can see here we have two different datas. For the measures I have made separate table here. You can see two different tables. So for the measures we can here has, for price or average price buying has garden, properties which has garden, that I have used the calculate function, calculate dash function. In calculate I have used average, and then the filter has garden which is equal to true. Then it will give us the average price buying having the real estate garden included. And same goes for buying pool as well. We will be using calculate, and in calculate we will be having average house Madrid buy price, and based on the filter from the table house Madrid has pool is equals to true, which will give us average price for the buying pool, which is basically not the real estate is having a pool or not. Same goes with average price as development. Calculate average, another filter we will be using is development or not. Based on that we will be doing this analysis. So let's see what is it. And here they have asked us about the which feature correlate more strongly with the prices. Higher prices, we can see with this graph. We Here we have the KPI average price has garden. Clearly we can see that it's a 2 million. Basically this states that we can conclude that real estates in Madrid which has garden has a premium amount, premium investment requirements. As per if we can see average price for buying pool with the real estate, it's almost near to the 1 million mark. And here average price with new development, which is almost half of the average price buying pool, that is half million, near to the half million or 600K, you can say that. So the top priority is that people are looking for the property in the Madrid with having garden. So third is that we will be having segmentation based on the investment opportunity. That is third one is market segmentation for investment opportunities. Question is asking segment the property market into categories based on the house type ID. Here we will be categorizing based on the house type IDs, that is type 1, type 2, something like that. We will be going through that now. For each category calculate the average square meter price. Okay, here we will be having another measure, that is having average square meter price, and identify the top 5 most lucrative investment opportunities based on the square meter build and loan interest rate. Okay, and then the focus area is segmentation, tags for conditional matrices, and top and filtering. Let's go to the dashboard and we will see here. Here we have to go make another measure, that is average price per meter square. For that I have used this DAX formula, that is nothing but divide, and in divide we will be having sum of the buying prices, which will be divided by the sum of the house Madrid square meter bill, which will give us average price meter square bill. And that is here, this is the KPI for the average price per meter square, that is almost like 4.5K. So the second part of the question asks we have to look at the top top one lucrative top lucrative opportunities for the investment for the business. So here from this graph we can see that from this graph that house type 3 has the best investment opportunity here, right? See this one, this graph can we can see that, sorry for that, but here we can see that house type 3 has best opportunity, that it has average price square meter, that is almost 4,000 price per meter square, while the house type 5 which is Eticos has almost like 5,000 1349 average price, which is very high. For from the point of view of investment and opportunities in investing for the business, we can see that house type 3 is a liquidity opportunity here. Let's do the next question. The next one is interactive dashboard creation. Okay, we have to make a dashboard which is interactive, basically adding slices and all other things. Question asks us design a comprehensive dashboard that includes filters for region, is exterior as pool, and is a new development. Incorporate visuals that dynamically and adjust to show the price, total listing, and average square meter price. Okay. Focus areas, interactive display, dashboard design, slices, bookmarks. Okay. So here is my final dashboard. Let me make it big for you. So this is the dashboard. Here we can see different all the KPIs. They asked us for the total listing price. Sorry, for the total listing. That is total real estates in Madrid. We have 22K real estates in this Madrid from this data set. For that, average buy price is like more than half million. That is 6537 point K. Average price per meter square is 4.5 almost K. Average price buying pool is almost 1 million, and here the highest is average price which has garden, that is 2 million, which is huge. That means the people are into the gardens, they want their property to have a proper gardens. Average price development, so here we have other slices which is like has garden, which is boolean, false or true. We can check if it is has garden, then this dashboard will give other data like this. House type 2 will having this much of this, and that house type 3 have this average per meter square. So is exterior, this is also false and true as pool. And house type IDs, basically this is completely interactive dashboard that has been created for this project, that is how Madrid house analysis. So this was my final output for this project. Hope you like it. Thank you. And this, let me show some PPTs that I have created. This is house Madrid analysis. These are the some slides that I have created. Thank you for watching this video.